In the last video, we upgraded our application into a real chatbot. Instead of answering one question and quitting, it can now answer continuously. But if you ever looked at a real software project, you'll notice something. Professional developers don't put all their code in one big block. They organize it into small reusable pieces called functions. Today, we are going to do the same thing. By the end of the video, you'll understand what functions are, why we use them, and we'll refactor a chatbot just like a real AI engineer. Let's run the chatbot from a previous video. Let's type what is AI. Our chatbot works perfectly, but imagine this project grows to 500 lines. Finding one piece of code would be a nightmare. So instead of keeping everything together, let's reorganize it. This code has one responsibility: send the question to Gemini, get an answer, and print it. Whenever a piece of code has one clear job, it's a great candidate for a function. Let's add the code before the while loop. This is how we write a function. Read it like English. Define a function called Ask Gemini. We are giving the block of code a name so we can reuse it whenever we want. Now, let's move this code inside the function. Remember to have the indentation all come inside the function. Here, def stands for define. We are defining a new function. Ask Gemini, this is simply a function name. Question, this is a parameter. Think of it like placing an order in a coffee shop. The barista needs to know what you want to drink. The function also needs information before it can do its job. Here, we are giving it the user's question. Let's go back to the loop and delete this part. Now, let's improvise few things. Instead of print function, let's use return. Imagine ordering a pizza. You pay, you wait, then the delivery driver hands you the pizza. That's exactly what return does. The function finishes its work, then hands the result back to whoever called it. Also, let's add a few more lines here. Now, let's run the code. Let's ask the same question. Everything still works. Let's exit the code. Our chatbot is now written much more like a real software project. We learned how functions help us organize code, avoid repetitions, and make the program much easier. But our chatbot still has one major weakness. Every time you ask a question, it forgets the previous one. If I say, my name is Alex, then ask, what is my name? It has no idea. In the next video, we'll use Python Lists and Dictionaries to store conversation histories, giving a chatbot its first memory. That's also the first step towards understanding how modern AI assistants maintain content. Subscribe to Forge Automations for more such videos.